Ian Friedman, and I'm one of the owners of First Strike Range and Gun Shop in Newberry, Ohio. We do a lot of training up here, and a lot of our clients come up and they ask us questions based upon what's going on out in the world, what's going on in the community. And clearly, there's a lot going on today. In light of situations recently in Minnesota and Washington, D.C., Boulder, Colorado, and here just recently in the last couple of days, an Ohio congressman who was run off the road, people have been asking, when can we use self-defense? When is it justified? And so we thought today just to do just a very basic tutorial, 1 to 2 minutes, on the elements that have to be met if one is to successfully claim that they acted in self-defense. So I put them up on the board here. It's really 4 elements that you have to think about at all times. And the first is, was it an imminent threat or danger? And so the operative word is imminent. Was something immediate? If I don't act now, is something going to happen? That's what the imminent has to be. You can't say that the person said they were going to come back tomorrow, or I feared for safety. That was anything but immediate. So imminent threat or danger, and it has to be of serious physical harm, bodily injury, or death. It can't just be of being pushed or being insulted, but of serious physical harm or death. Secondly, proportionality. Your response has to be proportionate to the actual threat itself. So again, a scratch, does that justify the use of a firearm? No, of course it does not. So it has to match up. Again, it gets into the imminent threat or danger. You acted with proportionate force to deter or to stop that imminent threat. Third, necessity. You were acting by necessity. You were acting because it was necessary. If you're in a conflict with someone and there's a police officer standing there who's diffusing the situation, you're likely not going to be successful if you're making the argument that you needed to act. One would look at that and say you probably did not have to. It was not necessary at that time. And lastly, the initial aggressor. One who is claiming self-defense in the state of Ohio cannot be the initial aggressor, the person who goes to the conflict. It has to come to you. You could not in any way have created the conflict when you acted. So the 4 elements again. 1, there was an imminent threat or danger that you were facing. Number 2, your response was proportionate to that threat. Number 3, you acted because it was necessary to do so, and you in no way played the role of initial aggressor. So again, these questions pop up all the time. They kind of are asked from different situations that people see in the news or their own personal experiences. But these are the 4 elements here that have to be present in any case where self-defense is being argued. So feel free to call or to come up anytime to First Strike. We'd be happy to talk to you about any questions that you may have. Be well.